dare you defy your masters? Dobby has no master. Dobby is a free elf, and Dobby has come to save Harry Potter and his friends.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Such a beautiful place to be with us.